Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Arva and I am coming on today to show you what I created for Janiva, who is purposely crafting the divine intervention here on YouTube, and Boss Lady 3132 on Instagram. So this is what I created to send Janiva for her birthday. Recently she had a challenge and she was asking for a pocket letter, and she wanted sequins in some of the pockets. And so one of the first things that I did was I created this box for her, and I used for most of this, I used the Plush Peony paper pad from Recollections from Michaels. So in this, I have here just one of the sheets that I cut down. It says, "Let your dreams blossom." That was one of the cut aparts. I made this small rosette and then put this cute little birthday hat on it. Didn't want to embellish it too much. I didn't know how she was going to need to store this, so I didn't want to put too much stuff on the top. But when you open it up, and I picked this up from Harbor Freight. I have several of these storing my sequins, the different sizes, and the clay pieces and different things. I love these little containers. They come this size, and they come with 24 little boxes in them, and it's perfect because when I ordered the sequins, they normally come with 24 colors, so it was just ideal. And so this is what I am sending Janiva, is her own box of how I store my sequins with a set of the 24 different colors. Hope she likes it. These are 6mm sequins. It include a little silver spoon. Charm. I forgot to attach her charm, but I will put this little charm on. And oops, there's two. There's a little cross, and then there's a charm that says blessed. And so I'm glad I opened the box because I forgot to add those on, but I'm going to add those to the end of her spoon. So that was the first thing that I have for her. Next, I have this box is a KS Craft design, and I think it was originally designed to hold the little pocket tissues, but of course I'm not sending her pocket tissues. So for this little box, I just embellished it with a little sequin bow and a little rosette. I've added a little cluster here that says happy. And then I put a little bit of Velcro, and when you open it up, I've just added some of my favorite rolled flower shapes in this box. And I've also included some cross stickers that she can use on her projects. So these are different styles of rolled flowers that she can use on different projects. Again, I didn't want to embellish them too much, plus there's not a lot of room inside the box, so couldn't do but so many, but I wanted to give her a variety of colors and different shapes of rolled flowers. So this is what I would say is the star of the show. I went to Tasha's Craft Corner. I love her channel, and when I saw her create this last year sometime, I knew eventually I was going to have to make one. It was very easy to make. Her instructions were very easy to follow. I didn't realize until after I completed it that she had changed the measurements and made these boxes a little shorter so that you could see the inside boxes a little better. Unfortunately, I had already put this together before I realized that, so I couldn't go back and change it. It was in the comments. So I'm going to get into showing you what I have, how I've decorated it. First of all, I put on the side, I used some hot pink metallic brads to attach the handle. And then I used this bow, which I believe, again, is either KS Craft or ZF Party bow on the side. I couldn't really decorate this too much because it's going in the mail, and we all know what's going to happen if I put too many embellishments on it. On the front, I added just a couple of rosettes with balloons One is plain, the other one says birthday girl. And I just put those there to denote that that was the front of the box. So I included a little 3x3 note card. Very simple, just to tell Janiva thank you for being the awesome person she is and happy birthday. So let's get into what's in here. In the center section, when Janiva sent me the birthday mail, she told me that she does not create cards. So I do like to create cards. It was probably one of the first things that I started making when I was first started crafting. This box is a little bit bulky, but in order to get it to fit, I had to use this size box. I just used a cut apart from the collection. And I made her a card kit. So all of the cards look like this. And this was inspired by Call Me Crafty Owl's Show Me Your Sheet Load for October of 2021. It's a little different, but the basics are from that sketch that she provided. And so I included 6 of those with 6 envelopes. But I wanted Janiva to be able to customize this a little the way that she wanted to. So I stamped out 2 pages of sentiments for birthdays. So she can cut the sentiment, flag it, do whatever she wants, back it on something else, and add it across the top of her card. And I created 6 cards, so I have 6 sentiments for the outside here. And then I created 6 inserts to go on the inside. So she can mat it on the inside first and then put these so it's not white on white. Do whatever she wants. She can do white on white, however she wants to do it. This one says, may God bless you on your birthday and all year through. This is a May Made It stamp. God made you a special person. Now that's reason to celebrate. Happy birthday. This was from a My Sentiments Exactly stamp. The next these 3 are. Uh-oh, did I miss one? A birthday prayer that you'll be blessed with all that makes you happiest. May God bless you on your birthday with blessings from above. Fill it full of sunshine and wrap it up in love. Yeah, here's the other one. Wishing you a year full of God's richest blessings. Happy birthday. And hope lots of lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a fabulous day. Happy birthday. And this was a Crafter's Companion stamp set. So she can choose which one goes where. She can make photocopies of these if she likes one more than the other and continue to use that one in the rest of them. However she chooses to do it, it'll be Janiva's card. So I wanted to create those and give her this kit so that she could have those to use in her stash. And once she uses this front card, she will be able to close this box much better. But I did make it magnetized so it will stay closed. Next thing that I created was this mini album, and this is a KS Craft die. I added some flowers from Hobby Lobby, a little frame, and I put the insert on removable adhesive so she can use that as a template to cut her picture out if she wants to add a picture to the front. And then I added this sentiment from the Tim Holtz, one of the Tim Holtz pads that says Collector of Memories. And I didn't embellish it too much on the inside because you know most of the embellishments are best after you have the pictures in. So I made a pocket here. These are all pieces that come in that set. If I can find the link for the Amazon or the AliExpress for this die, I will include it. I used another, I put another pocket here and added 2 more of those tags. That's the back. And lastly, we all know that I love my 3x3s. So I created this little pizza style box, and added one of those rolled flowers. And when you open it up, how many of us have done that? Well, I guess it doesn't matter. It can open from the side. I added 6 3x3. And these are very basic. They are just her monogram. And on one, we have the gingham with the script J in pink foil with a glitter mat. And then this one is a regular J with the foil mat. So when we get into the pockets, in this first pocket, I've included some crepe paper flowers. And there's 2 different sizes, and I did do 6. And then it has a pearl stamen. So that's what's in the first box. In the second box, need to go back and put the thumb holes. I added some of these little cake stands from Craft. So we have this one. So I did 3 of the short with the macaroons. And then I did 3 of the tall ones with the cakes. Okay, and the next box, we have these little ladies. I don't remember where I purchased this die, but I did 2 in the glitter. And they have jewelry, and then I did little small flat back pearls or rhinestones. These were nail embellishments that I used to put her earrings on. Then I did 2 in shimmer paper. Some of them have black hair, some of them have brown hair, some of them have silver jewelry, some have gold jewelry, just depending on what their outfit looked like. And then we have 1 in the teal foil and 1 in a patterned dress, her leopard patterned dress. So these stylish little ladies, she can use on a project. And I did layer these a few times so that they were nice and sturdy. Since they're a little thin, I wanted to make sure that they would hold up for whatever project she wanted to put them on. The next pocket, we have birthday bicycles. Now, guys, this one was a labor of love. I paper pieced every one of these, from the frame to the tires to the seat handlebars, the basket, each of those little flowers and the balloons. Woo, it took a while. So these 2 have a little floral pattern for their frame. These 2 have a white with polka dots for their frame. And I used Nuvo drops, pearlescent Nuvo drop in the center for the flowers. And I used an adhesive cork for most of those for the basket, for the center, for the making of the basket. This one is in gold shimmer, and this one's another one with the cork. And this one is just a teal foil cardstock. So she has 6 of those. In the next box, I did not think this through with those bows, did I? It's okay. As long as I don't destroy them, it's all right. So in here, she has some bows, and some are plain, and some are shaker. So we have these 3 that are shaker. So I did it in a matte pink foil. That's a tonic paper for the outside. Then this one is a silver glitter. And then this is a silver foil, the one from Recollections. And I included I wrapped the centers with the sequin thread from Hobby Lobby. And then after I cut those guys, I started looking and I was like, well, why couldn't we use that negative piece that comes out? So that's what I did. So we have 2 of the pink, and I just added a flat back gem to the centers. For these 2, I have one that has a pink gem and then one that has a small cross, the pink gem. And the matte silver foil, same one with the teardrop pink gem and one with the cross. And last but not least, I made some layered butterflies. So we have one here, and on the top of this one is, there's one of the pattern papers in the back, but then I added a vellum with white polka dot for the top layer, and then I used some AB white diamond dots down the center. This one has this same vellum, but it's on the decorative piece is black and white stripe with gold glitter cards, polka dots, and then black diamond dots down the center. This one I thought was really pretty. It has a rose gold and pink and gray and white pattern in the back. So I used a rose gold foil for the top, and then did a pastel pink diamond dots in the center. And there's 2 of each of those, so all of those repeat. And this is what I did, finish it off on the inside. Tasha did a great job with her instructions for this tutorial. I really hope that Janiva likes everything that I created for her, and I'm really happy that she's made her goal of 500 subscribers. I can't wait to see her make it to 1,000. She deserves it. If you have not subscribed to her channel, please go and do so. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a very blessed day. Bye.